Hungry. Yes, we all are hungry and everyone's Hi guys. We just finished eating at the really yummy buffet, and yeah, so this is one of the desserts. It's some honey thingy, coconut with mango thing, with balls, and our table's pretty messy as you can see. And these two faggots over here, and the view here is the view here is very nice because we're on the top at the moment, and you can see the harbour bridge somewhere. It's really good. Was the food nice? Oh, look at the camera!
What?
Was the food nice?
Yes, it was nice.
Was it nice?
Yeah, it was nice.
Was it nice?
Yeah.
Was it nice?
Oh, it's awesome.
Say yeah! Say yeah! Say yeah!
Is it recording?
Yeah.
I'm Isabel.
Mix a little bit. Yeah, fine.
Anyways,
So we just finished eating. I was like, oh wait.